Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nell Sasson, and today we're making the Krusty Krab pizza from SpongeBob.
This recipe includes AP flour, instant yeast, granulated sugar, red pepper flakes, oregano leaves, pizza sauce, impossible ground beef, shredded mozzarella, sliced mushrooms, salt, pepper, yellow mustard, turkey pepperoni, and 1 garlic clove. In a large bowl, pour in 1 cup of warm water and dissolve a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of yeast, then let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until foamy. Now mix together 2.5 cups of AP flour and 1 teaspoon of salt and then add it to the yeast mixture and stir until a shaggy dough forms. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and knead the dough on a floured surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. If you guys don't know what the Krusty Krab pizza is, it's a pizza from an old SpongeBob episode with a Krusty Krab crust, sea cheese, tomatoes, sea mustard, and a Kroll drink. Be sure to place the dough in a greased bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour. Next, coat your pot with olive oil, saute 1 clove of minced garlic, and add in a dash of red pepper flakes. After that, add in about half a cup of pizza sauce to your pot and then let it heat up. Then, add in some salt and pepper to taste, a teaspoon of yellow mustard, and a teaspoon of sugar to get rid of that acid taste. By the way, don't ask why I added mustard. It's only because this pizza is supposed to have the Krabby Patty ingredients in it, and you don't want to add too much because it's overpowering. Set your sauce aside, coat your skillet with olive oil, and cook your ground beef until brown. This ground beef mixture is pretty much just a repeat of what I did for the Krabby Patties. If you haven't seen that video, please go check it out. Now that our dough is risen, get a floured surface, punch down the dough to release the air, and roll out the dough into a 12-inch circle. Once it's rolled out, it's time to put your dough on a pizza pan and add our 3 layers. So first, we're going to add our pizza sauce, second is our cooked ground beef, and third is half a cup or 3/4 cups of shredded mozzarella. And from there, we're going to add the following toppings, which include slices of turkey pepperoni and sliced mushrooms. It's kind of weird how the Krusty Krab pizza has pepperoni and mushrooms on it. First of all, Krabby Patties don't have either of those ingredients in the burger. And second, I don't even know where those ingredients even came from. At this point, I'm just making it how it looks in the show. And if you don't know what it looks like, I'll show you a little clip at the end. Once the toppings are added, I like to fold in the crust a little bit, drizzle some of that olive oil on the crust, and sprinkle some oregano leaves so it can give that Italian flavor and presentable look. After so much hard work, it's time to bake this bad boy in the 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. And if you're wondering how to say Krusty Krab pizza in Spanish, it's pizza del crustáceo cascarudo.
Alright guys, I got the Krusty Krab pizza. And one thing I cannot forget, the Diet Dr. Kelp, aka prebiotic root beer. Alright, I'm gonna try it now, and I won't cap. I'm just so curious of how this is gonna taste, because, I mean, I don't know. Putting ground beef, and then the cheese, and the mushrooms, and the pepperoni, I don't know. I mean, could be interesting. But all I gotta say is the Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. Alright, let's see. Okay. This is surprisingly amazing. But I'll be honest, one thing I could have done was I could have put the cheese right here and stuff. I should have done stuffed crust. But telling you this right now, but when eating this pizza, and I can really taste the ground beef. I can taste the love. Yep. And Diet Dr. Kelp. So refreshing. And I gotta be honest with you, I don't know which one I like better, the Krabby Patty or the Krusty Krab pizza. It's kind of hard to say. But really, I'll be honest, I think I might like the Krusty Krab pizza a little better, only because I'm more of a pizza guy. And two, Thing is, I really like having a lot of cheese on my pizza. But sometimes, there's no such thing as a no pizza night, especially on a Friday night. But I'm telling you right now, every Friday night should be pizza night. That's all I gotta say. Pizza Friday. Oh my gosh. But I'm telling you, this is my first time ever making pizza. All these years, I've never made pizza from scratch, ever. And another good thing is that you actually saw me make the crust from scratch, so that's another good thing. Yeah. But I'll be honest, if I were to buy, like, just crust from the store, this pizza probably wouldn't have been as good. But since I made it from scratch and I really took the time and stuff like that, it was a great opportunity. Well, yeah. I made the Krusty Krab pizza just like in the show.
I got it! Coming!
Hello?
No!
Sorry, sir, we're closed.
Ahoy there, Krusty Krab! How can I help you? Pizza? Of course we have pizza!
Mr. Krabs.
Our delivery squid will bring it right over.
Mr. Krabs, we don't serve pizza. We don't deliver.
We don't deliver, but you do!
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace!